Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Rinto Maulana. You can call me Rinto. I'm currently a second semester student at Universitas Negeri Semarang, Faculty of Sport Science, majoring in Sport Science. I love sport, and the one I like the best is football. And in this video, I would like to take this opportunity to give more information to all of you, particularly to football fans who are unfamiliar with football, allowing them to learn more about football, including how to play, football aims, and basic football regulation. Football is one of the oldest sports in the world. Football has become one of the most recognized and loved sport by almost everyone in the world. Then in 1904, the World Football Association, FIFA, was formed. After that, legal competition are started to be held. The most popular competition is FIFA World Cup. Football is played by two teams, consisting of 11 people and a referee who oversees the game. The rules of the game are simple. That is, both teams have to compete to score more goals than your opponent in a 90-minute playing time frame. Although the rules are so simple, there are too many rules that players must follow in this sport, such as fouls, offside, corner kicks, and so on. If a player violates the rules, the referee can give him a card. They got two possible cards. Number one is a yellow card, means they have to be careful, and number two, a red card, means they should be off the court. The game ends in 19 minutes, divided into two rounds, and each round are given time for 45 minutes. When the game is going to take place, the two teams will conduct fair play, regarded by shaking hand each other, and be continued by tossing the coin to decide who will take the ball or choose the field first, which is represented by its captain. Football is generally played in big stadiums, where thousands of people watch it. However, when the current COVID-19 pandemic occurred and hit multiple countries, for example England, the number of viewers allowed to watch the live broadcast in the stadium was limited and was not allowed to be full. Even in some countries, spectators are not allowed to enter at the stadium, for example in Indonesia. The following is a condition that have occurred as a result of the COVID-19 pandemic in several stadiums across a number of countries. It can be seen from picture number 1 that there are no spectators in the stadium who watch the live game. The event occurred in Indonesia during the 2021 Menpora Cup match. Well, in picture number 2, you can see that there are spectators in the stadium who watch the live game. But the number of spectators in the stadium is limited and not completely filled. The incident occurred during the 2020 European Cup in the Netherlands. Spectators who are permitted to attend that stadium must be tested for COVID-19 and provide proof to complete immunization to vaccination 14 days prior to the match. This was done by the organizing committee in order to avoid cluster of COVID-19 spreading in the stadium. The existence of COVID-19 has indeed affected all areas of life, one of which is sport, especially football. Football is one of the industry affected by COVID-19, and football must be able to adapt immediately to the condition of the COVID-19 pandemic so that the football can continue to run safely and smoothly. That is all I can to explain, and I'd like to thank you for your time and attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.